Are you looking for easy, inexpensive gifts that you can make? In this series, you learned about a number of projects that can be put together in a short time while learning about quilting and sewing techniques. This last video in the series features some projects that you can sew by hand. Most can also be sewn by machine. Links to these free step-by-step videos can be found at learnhowtoquilt.com under the Small Projects tab, or you can check out the links below. You can put together an inexpensive needle case using dollar store pot holders. Make one for a friend who wants to learn to sew and then offer to teach them the basics, and this gift will be appreciated for years to come. You might also like to try these ribbon candy ornaments. They're easy to make, take few supplies, and look great on the Christmas tree or as an extra decoration on a present. You can use scraps of fabric to make these tissue holders. They go together quickly and are a practical gift for everyone on your list. Another inexpensive gift is a set of note cards with 3D yo-yo flowers. Use up your scraps to make the yo-yos, add a button in the center, and then glue to the card. Or add them to gift tags. How about a simple doll skirt for a child? Use up some of your trims to embellish the skirt, or, better yet, offer to teach someone to sew while making this skirt. If you like sewing by hand, you might also be interested in English paper piecing. You'll find directions for this snowflake block that you can use to make a pot holder or a mug rug. Hope you get a chance to try out one of these projects. If you haven't already, check out the first 2 videos in this series. Here you'll find more easy and inexpensive gift ideas that you can make. Thanks for visiting learnhowtoquilt.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share our videos with your friends. Thanks.